Hi everyone, this is the Ravinte cabinet hardware tool, and check this out. I am so amazed at how simple this tool is, but how effective. This is a mounting little door tool, so you measure how far or how close you want your hardware to be placed on your cabinets, and you get it perfect every time. So all of your cabinet hardware is going to be perfectly aligned, and it also has the little holes for different sizes of hardware, so they fit perfectly in your cabinets. It also comes with a door template and a drawer template, so this is so great. We just done the kitchen and we're gonna be remodeling, so hardware is a big thing for us right now. We're gonna have to drill so many cabinets, and I'm so happy that it also comes with its own little drill bit right here. Check this out, you guys. It's on Amazon. It is super affordable and such a nice thing to have and to own. It is going to help you put in hardware anywhere from whatever door you need, from cabinets to kitchens to your bathroom cabinets. It is definitely a must-have for us, and we're going to be using it to drill a bunch of holes in our cabinet here at home. So go check it out on Amazon. I definitely recommend this tool.